Hello everyone, welcome back to English in Nesama podcast. My name is Danny.
And I'm Sophia. We're so glad you're here with us today.
So Sophia, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, Danny, I'm feeling a little sleepy because I stayed up late last night reading.
That explains the coffee cup in your hand.
Exactly. But I'm also excited because today's topic is all about talking about feelings and emotions. What about you, Danny?
I'm feeling great, energetic, positive, and ready to dive in.
Feelings and emotions are part of everyday life. Being able to express them in English is important because it helps people understand you better.
Yes, and sometimes learners only know the basic words like happy, sad, or angry. But in real life, there are so many more expressions you can use to describe your emotions.
And the more variety you have, the more natural and fluent you sound.
Let's start with positive feelings. Instead of just saying, I'm happy, you can say, I'm excited, I feel proud, I'm grateful, I'm relaxed.
Yes, and if you want to show strong happiness, you can say, I'm thrilled, I'm over the moon, I couldn't be happier.
Those expressions make your feelings sound stronger and more colorful.
Now, let's move to negative feelings. Instead of just, I'm sad, you can say, I feel down, I'm disappointed, I feel lonely, I'm frustrated.
And for stronger emotions, you can say, I'm heartbroken, I'm devastated, I feel hopeless.
These are often used in movies, books, and conversations. They make your emotions clearer and more real.
Of course, sometimes we feel stressed or angry. Instead of only saying, I'm angry, you can say, I'm upset, I'm annoyed, I'm irritated.
Yes, and if it's stronger, you can say, I'm furious, I'm mad, I'm losing my temper.
But remember, tone is important. Even when you use these words, speak in a way that matches your feeling.
Sometimes our emotions are not positive or negative, just mixed. For example, I feel curious, I'm nervous, I'm confused, I feel unsure.
Yes, or even, I feel nostalgic. That's when you remember something from the past with both happiness and sadness.
Exactly. These words help you explain those in-between feelings.
So, how can learners improve when talking about feelings? First, expand your vocabulary. Don't just use happy or sad. Learn other words.
Second, listen to how native speakers express emotions in movies, TV shows, podcasts, or even songs.
Third, practice connecting feelings with reasons. For example, I feel nervous because I have an exam tomorrow. That makes your sentences more complete.
Yes, and finally, don't be afraid to share your emotions. It makes conversations more real and personal.
So today, we've talked about feelings and emotions, positive, negative, stressful, and even mixed emotions.
If you practice using these expressions, you'll sound more natural and you'll connect better with people in English.
That's all for today's episode of English in Nesama podcast.
Thank you so much for listening. We hope this helps you express your feelings more clearly.
And don't forget, if you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends.
Yes, sharing helps more learners discover our podcast.
All right, until next time.
Bye, everyone.